Hello friends, this is Jignesh Rathod. In this video, we will discuss about window air conditioning system. So this is how window air conditioner looks like. So this type of ACs are designed to be fitted in window sills, and that is why they are referred as window air conditioner. So the major components of window air conditioner like compressor, condenser, expansion valve and evaporator are fitted in a single unit are enclosed in a single box or single unit, and that is why its installation and maintenance is very easy compared to other kind of air conditioner. And these kind of ACs are well suitable for cooling application of single room, and it is available in size up to 2 tons capacity. Construction: it consists of control panel, front grille, adjustable lowers, thermostatic sensors, filter, evaporator coil, condenser coil, compressor, condenser fan, partition and evaporator blower. So these are the major components of window air conditioner. Function we will discuss afterwards. This is another diagram of window air conditioner. This is inside space. This evaporator coil, evaporator blower, thermostatic valve and control panel. These are the components. Those are there in inside space, indoor space, while compressor, condenser fan are at outside space. Same, this is two-dimensional view of window AC. So first we'll start with its construction and function of major components. So first, front panel. So it is the one that is seen by the user from inside the room where it is installed, and it has a user interface control. That control might be of electronic type or of mechanical type. Older units generally are of mechanical control type with rotary knobs to control the temperature and fan speed of air conditioner, while latest units come with electronic control system where the functions are controlled using the remote control and touch panel with digital display. The front panel has adjustable lowers. These are adjustable lowers where the direction of airflow is adjusted to suit the comfort of users. Then we are having evaporator or cooling coil. This is evaporator or cooling coil. So this is the place where heat exchange takes place between refrigerant in the system and air in the room. Then we may have evaporator blower. Evaporator blower is used to discharge the cool air to the room. Then we may have control panel or operation panel that is used to control the temperature and speed of blower fan. Then we may have thermostatic sensor that is used to sense the return air temperature, and you may have another type of thermostatic sensor that is used to monitor the temperature of coil. Then compressor, it is used to compress the refrigerant from evaporator pressure to condenser pressure. Then condenser coil, it is used to reject the heat from the refrigerant to the outside space. And then again then we may also have condenser fan in air cool condenser to move the air molecules over the surface of the condensing coil to enhance the condensation rate. So these are the major components of window air conditioner unit and its function. Now we'll discuss its working. So as you are aware that in case of air conditioning system also, refrigeration is integral part of air conditioning only. Over here also we want to have the cooling effect, and so over here also the cooling is achieved in the same manner as what we are having in case of vapor compression refrigeration VCR system. So over here also the circuit is same, that is evaporator, compressor, condenser and capillary tube. So apart from this cooling effect, we want to have proper humidity, air cleanliness and proper air movement. So first we'll start with this basic. This is the inside space that is to be So this is inside space, this is outside space, and in between we are having wall. This is window part that where this AC is fitted. Now, so first we'll focus on this filter. So hot air coming out from the room, that is first initially passed to this filter. So this filter cleans the air and then it passes to evaporator. So over within the evaporator, what will happen? Within the evaporator, refrigerant is moving. So that refrigerant takes the heat from the air. So air gets cooled down and there is a latent heat transformation of refrigerant. So refrigerant gets evaporated and then that refrigerant passes to compressor. Then again compressor raises the pressure from evaporator pressure to condenser pressure, and then refrigerant passes to condenser. Over the condenser, what will happen? The refrigerant gets condensed. So it gets converted into liquid phase, and over here we are having condenser fan which enhances the condensation rate, and then that liquid refrigerant enters into capillary tube. So capillary tube restricts the flow of refrigerant and thereby it reduces the pressure from condenser pressure again back to evaporator pressure. So this is VCR cycle only, and this is how in this window AC also we will achieve the cooling. So this is and the moisture of air in this case gets removed on the cooling coil surface by the process of condensation of air. So the air is cooled and dehumidified to meet the requirement of comfort air conditioning in the room, and tray is provided below the cooling coil to collect the moisture which condenses from the recirculation of air, and the flow of hot air that enters in, that is coming out from the room, and cooled air that passes again to the room is taking place with the help of evaporator blower. So this is how we maintain the air circulation rate. So the refrigerant unit provides a cooling effect at this place, evaporator, or that is why evaporator is also referred as cooling coil. So the necessary fresh air is allowed to mix with recirculate room air to meet the ventilation requirement, and ventilation air is controlled with the help of ventilation damper, and room temperature is controlled with the help of thermostatic sensor. And window air conditioning, this type of units are very convenient and cheap for conditioning of small size of rooms of few occupants. So this is how window air conditioning system works. Now we will discuss the disadvantages of window AC. It produces noise in the room. Why? Because compressor is very near to the room. So this is the major disadvantage of window AC. So these are noisy in its operation. Another disadvantage is what? The evaporator and condenser are enclosed in a single unit. Therefore, the evaporator cannot be used as an interior of room because condenser requires outside air for cooling. So this is also one of the important limitation of window AC. And it requires appropriate size of window or hole in wall in order to fit the air conditioner unit. So these are the disadvantages of window air conditioner. Thank you.